Nasaan na ba si Maharlika? Ito si Maharlika, ano eh. Meron siyang content sa away ng mga girlfriend eh.
Ito ang wow trending. Mayor Basti Duterte nagsalita na sa nangyayaring awayan ng mga taga-suporta ni Tatay Digong. Sa isang Facebook post, ito ang sinabi ni Mayor Basti. Same but different. All of these fine ladies touch the life and heart of my father. No one is above or below the other, including my mother. It is what it is. So, to any camp, if you don't stop, it will reveal more of who you are rather than who he is. PRRD, the Hokage. Because behind every man is a woman who believe in him before he believe in himself. Pamalandong ana. So again, you are all same but different. Let me love you long time. Enough said, stop it. Parang kampihan na kasi ang nangyayari sa mga taga-suporta ni Tatay Digong. Merong Team Elizabeth, kampi kay Ma'am Hanilet at Kitty. Ayon pa nga kay Mayor Basti Duterte na PRRD, the Hokage. Komento pa nga ng mga netizen na kung totoo ang inyong suporta kay PRRD, di kayo basta-basta maniniwala. Alam naman na as PRRD na may ex-wife siya, may common law wife siya. Now, yung isa, niligawan niya before but friends, supporters na lang. And Miss Jassy, kay grabe ang love and support sa iyang giserbisyuhan nga presidente. Period. Yan lang yan. No doubtful. Mo PRRD, madali lang talaga kayong maniwala dahil konting flow. Lie about him, question na. Sa isang speech nga ni Vice President Inday Sara, tinawag niya si Maharlika. Intindihin niyo si Vice President Inday Sara, idinadaan niya lang ang issue sa ganyan para di na lumaki pa at tumigil na. Hindi yan magpapakita ng galit at side sa kabila or sa kabila. Neutral talaga dapat ang stance niya. Yan ang matalino at marunong sumabay sa issue na walang madidihado. Kasi ikakasira niya rin yan pag may pinanigan siya, kaya dapat itigil na yang hati-hatian. Focus sa totoong gulo, at least may nahubaran at may aware na din ang lahat at huwag patulog-tulog.
Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ng reaction, opinion itong post ni Mayor Sebastian Duterte. Tungkol ito sa mga nag-aaway ng mga DDS vloggers dahil sa mga babae sa buhay ng ating minamahal na Tatay Digong. Okay, parang nagre-referee na rin siya, no? Nagre-referee si Mayor Basti na tumigil na kayo, tama na yan. So ito, medyo may comedy ng konti ang post ni Mayor Basti. Sabi niya, same but di palin. Parang Thailander na style, di ba? Hindi masyadong maka-English ang mga Thailander. Same. Pare-pares lang, but di palin. Different. All these fine ladies touch the life and heart of my father. No one is above or below the other, including my mother. It is what it is. Mamaya pakita ko yung mga pictures ha. So, to any camp, ito na, yung kanya-kanyang camp kasi. To any camp, if you don't stop, it will reveal more of who you are rather than who he is. F-A-R-D. Because behind every man is a woman who believe in him before he believed in himself. Pamalandung anak. Reflect. So again, you are all same sim, but di palin. Let me love you long time. Enough said, stop it. Oh, referee. Pag sinabi ng referee, stop it. Stop na. Ang galing, oh. Ito. Unang babae, yan ang mother ni BP Inday, Congressman Pulong, and Mayor Sebastian. Ayan o, Team Elizabeth. Then, I think ito si Ma'am Hanilet Abansinya. O, nandyan din si Mayor Basti. And then, I don't know, sino ito? Ito ba si Girly Balaba? Correct me if I'm wrong, hindi ko masyadong kabisado. And then, sino ito? Ito ba si Jasmine? Yan, 4 na ladies. Yung, kung iba ba yan, meron pang team Kabadbaran, kaya lang, hindi naman isinali ni Mayor Baste, wag na lang natin ano. So, 4 ladies who touch the lives of PRRD. It is what it is. So, stop na. Okay. Nakaisip tuloy ako yung kanta ni Julio Iglesias na To All the Girls I've Loved Before. Kantahan na lang natin si Tatay Digong at saka yung mga babae na dumaan sa kanyang buhay. Okay? Relax lang. Huwag na tayo mag-away-away. To all the girls he loved before, who traveled in and out his door, I'm glad they came along. I dedicate this song to all the girls he loved before, to all the girls he once caressed, and may I say he held the best. For helping him to grow, he owe a lot, I know, to all the girls he loved before. The winds of change are always blowing, and every time he tried to stay, the winds of change continued blowing, and they just carry him away. To all the girls he shared his life, who now are someone else's wives, I'm glad they came along. I dedicate this song to all the girls he loved before, to all the girls who cared for him, who filled these nights with ecstasy. They live within his heart. They will always be apart. To all the girls he loved before, the winds of change continued blowing, and every time he tried to stay, the winds of change continued blowing, and they just carry him away. To all the girls we loved before, who traveled in and out our door, I'm glad they came along. I dedicate this song to all the girls we've loved before. It is what it is. Ganyan po ang ating minamahal na Tatay Digong. Ang kanyang pamilya, okay lang, tinatanggap nila yan. Sana tayong mga DDS supporters, panawagan ni Mayor Basti, stop it. Stop it. Sabi niya, so to any camp, if you don't stop, it will reveal more of who you are rather than who he is. So again, you are all sim-sim, but di palin, let me love you a long time. Enough said, stop it. Okay, so pagtuunan po natin ang mas importanteng concern ng ating minamahal na Tatay Digong, ang pagdarasal sa kanyang kalusugan. Pagdarasal na mabigyan siya ng comfort ng Panginoon, ng lakas ng loob para malampasan niya ang pagsubok na ito. And dasal na sana ma-approve na sa lalong mas madaling panahon ang kanyang interim release.